how to use text formatting while you are making an announcement in our Teams channel. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can apply different formatting and text styles in a particular announcement in a Microsoft Teams channel. So first, let's go to the Communities tab over the left hand side. And once you're inside the community, as you can see here, I have this YouTube community right here, and for this community I have a channel called General Discussions. Now in this particular channel, if I want to make an announcement, I can simply click onto this announcement button right here, and from here I can type in a headline. So let me type in a random headline, and then I can also obviously choose to add different types of text styling to this heading as well. So let's say I'm gonna simply select the particular text, and I can simply make it bold, italic, or underline as well as per my preference. So I can simply select it and I can use these options as well. And apart from that, I can do the same for subheading. So let me type in a subheading, and as you can see, as I have typed in the subheading, I can select it and then use these fonts again as well. So if this does not work for you, you can also try clearing out the cache, but in normal circumstances they will definitely work for you. You can choose different formatting styles as well. If not here, you can simply click onto this type a message and then type in a sample message as well. I'm gonna simply copy paste the same like this, and then I can make it bold, italic, or underline as well. I also have the strike through option, and apart from that, you can also change the font size. You can make it small or large as well, and also you can change the color of the background of this particular heading. So to change that, you can click here, and from here choose the correct color scheme. So basically these two fonts are basically not a lot of customizable, but you can surely edit the body message. And once you're done with this, you can click on to this post option. Also, you can also choose the post type as well, like a post or announcement. We're going to choose it announcement only. You can also add code block as well, and in the more options you have all of these different options to play with. You can click onto this post button, and here you can see that we have successfully posted this announcement with different text styles. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.